Hey guys, it's me, BossGuy25DD here. Welcome back to another video. I'm just playing Fortnite. It's just gonna be very laggy, just this is gonna be a cringe video, I guess. Because it doesn't always work. I know, it's glitchy if you're using like an old computer. Oh, it's still loading. I summon my blue-eyed white dragon. You can hardly stop my Exodia. I was playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Earlier. Oh! Wait, we're already starting! Ah! That was very straightforward. Whoa! My game! What are you doing, game? What are you doing, game? What are you doing, game? Ah! What are you doing, game? Game! Trust me, it will work soon enough. I guess I'll just go this way into whatever this place is. I'm not going to loot like I think that is. Just deal with it. Boss, what are you doing with your life? Fortnite will never work on that terrible computer. What? Where am I? Okay, I guess I'm spawning here then. Okay, let's see, take this out. I did it, I think. It was working fine before I started recording. What is this? I'm gonna go. Let's go up the hill. Into the town. Not town, whatever this place. This is like a trailer park, I think. I think I broke it. You see, look, I did break it. I'm sorry, this is gonna be a cringe compilation. I hear a chest. I just need to get some stuff. Wait. Is it over here? Oh no, I can't believe my computer's holding on. Ooh. What is that? Oh, it's an AR. Where am I? Give me the AR, please. If my game crashes, I will. Ah! Where is it? Oh, there it is. That is not the AR! I think it's just terrible when I record. It hates me. Look at this. Give me the AR! Ah! I heard the sound that I got it. I got the ammo! I should have got it there. Yes, I got it. Okay, I'm holding it out now. Let's go this way. I am ultimate being. Fear me! Oh, let's go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, people. I just can't. Wrong way. I need to go this way. I have an assault rifle and that's it. Why am I not sprinting? I'm holding the spray button! Oh crap! What's the map? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna die. Unless I go quickly. Ooh, I'm going quickly now. It's not lagging as much. Yes, it is. It's lagging so much. Ah! It's like ninja kills me. Oh, that would be so terrible. I can't see anything and ninja kills me out of nowhere. My game is lagging so much. If I try and shoot. See, I shot, but I don't see it. There's 36 people left and I haven't seen anyone this entire game. So I can at least get a kill. It's like I win. Pfft. That's what the sound is. What? That's not the way that you're supposed to go here. Okay. Let's go this way. Nothing. Is there a trap in there? I know how to play Fortnite. It's just, it's so laggy that it's not letting me play it. Take this tent. Tent is laggy. Yay! I broke it. Somebody didn't stick the landing. Oh, wow. Oh, I got back to my gun by accident. Nice. Ah! Until I die, I am not ending this video. Yes, I made it. Dusty Depot, I'm pretty sure that is. Let's make my base. There it is. This is base right now. How do I crouch? Wait, I think that's... I am the best at Fortnite. Run! I think I just heard a snipe from behind me. Oh, crap. Get in the circle. Why are you... Oh. I saw somebody. I see you. Not close enough to... Go ahead. Well, bye, cruel world. Well, that was it for me. I placed 27. I'm going to leave this match. That is the end of this cringeness. Yeah. See ya.